Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone on the Google Pixel 8 phone. We start by making sure the phone is turned off. Never clean your phone while it's on, so always remember to turn it off with the power button. If you don't, if it's still running, you have it on. We need a brush with flexible bristles so that it's soft. Don't use a hard one, because if it's hard it will scratch your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol 100% pure, so it softens the dirt better, allowing us to clean it thoroughly, and then it evaporates without leaving a trace. You can buy both of these things as a set on Allegro or Amazon, or if not, you can use a regular toothbrush. But the alcohol is unfortunately essential, because without it, it will be difficult to clean the openings properly. We thoroughly moisten the toothbrush. If you don't have a diffuser, a regular container will do. We dip the toothbrush in it and start cleaning. And so the microphone is on this side. This opening is the microphone, and the other microphone is on the other side here, so we need to clean both of these microphones. So first, we clean this microphone, which means moving the brush steadily in one direction across the opening about 10 or 15 times to clean it thoroughly and have a fully functional microphone in your phone. Then about 10 or 15 strokes in the other direction. What didn't get cleaned in one direction will get cleaned now. It's best to repeat this process 2 or 3 times, meaning 20 or 30 strokes in each direction. Just remember to change direction after those 10 or 15 strokes. That way it gets cleaned better, because these are small openings. Yes, this microphone is already cleaned. Now we move on to the second one, which is on the other side, and we clean it the same way, just with a slightly different technique. So you make movements as if you're pressing the brush into it. Also 10 or 15 strokes in one direction, then 10 or 15 strokes in the other direction. And then you can also go up and down, again 10 or 15 strokes, to have the microphone opening perfectly cleaned. This second microphone is usually responsible for noise cancellation, reducing background noise during calls, and for the voice recorder. So it's quite useful to always clean both microphones when you're cleaning, because if you only clean one, something might still not work properly afterwards. And if you clean both, you can be sure that everything will work like clockwork. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate from the openings, and then you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.